Now students, you can understand what is statutory corporation. Now I am going to explain you what are the features of statutory corporation or what are the characteristics of statutory corporation. So the features of statutory corporation first is that it is set up under an act of the parliament. Now you student, you can understand that statutory corporation is comes into existence by the separate act of the parliament. जब corporation की ज़रूरत पड़ी, when we need corporation body, then the parliament has made an act for this corporation, and by the separate act of the parliament this statutory corporation comes into existence, and whatever will be the rules and regulations of the corporation is decided by this act. जितने जो भी कॉरपोरेशन को जो रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन, व्हाट आर इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, what is their how they will share the profit, and how they will bear the losses, everything will be decided in this act of parliament. So this is having some separate act which is decided by the parliament, and then the corporation is having their own acts. Next is the government has the ultimate financial responsibility. Basically the government is this, but the statutory corporation is owned by the state and they are having some financial responsibility also. और उसी की वजह से then government can appropriate the profit also. गवर्नमेंट जो उसके प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं उनको बांट भी सकती है, अप्रोप्रिएट कर सकती है, एंड ऑल्सो इफ दिस कॉर्पोरेशन इज बियरिंग एनी लॉस, so that also the government has to bear. So this is there is must be having some particular responsibility of the government for the financial matters of these corporation. Then separate legal entity. This corporation body is an independent body and having their separate legal existence, separate legal entity which is different from the members. It is when the act was passed, and then this body will be registered, and then the statutory corporation comes into existence and he is having some separate legal entity. That means he can sue others and can be sued. ये दूसरों पे मतलब केसेस भी स्यू कर सकता है, एंड ही कैन परचेज द प्रॉपर्टी बाय इट्स ओन नेम ऑल्सो. उनकी एक अलग एग्जिस्टेंस होता है, अलग प्रॉपर्टी आइडेंटिटी होती है जो कि मेंबर्स से अलग होती है. तो दिस कॉर्पोरेशन इज हैविंग द सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी or the separate legal existence. Next is the employees are governed by the rules of the corporation and officers are appointed to head the organization. Whoever will be the employees of this corporation, the corporation body is having some number of employees and number of officers are there. They should be appointed by this act. That means whatever the rules and regulation of this act which is decided by the parliament. So according to the rules and regulation, according to the rules of this act, the persons are appointed as a worker or as a person of employees of these corporation, and they has to follow the rules of these corporation also. And for the management of these corporation, the government has appointed some directors, some persons to head these organizations. There are separate board of directors are there who are working for this, who are taking the decisions of the statutory corporation and who are managing these corporation. Then audit procedures are not same to government. These organizations are not having some proper interference of the government, so that these organizations are need not to publish their accounts as like the government departments. Means they can make their accounts according to their rules and regulation, according to the act. It is not like it is not similar to the government departments. जस्ट लाइक इन द डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग, इसमें अलग अकाउंट्स मेंटेन किए जाते हैं, अलग सेपरेसी होती है, इसमें एक तरह की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी होती है दैट मेंबर्स कैन take the decision also. The director, the appointed head of officers can take the decision also. So these statutory corporations are an independent body which is governed by the state, which is owned by the state, and also these corporations are also depend on finance for the government also. That means they can borrow funds from the government or from the public also by selling its properties, that by selling and purchasing of the goods also. That is whatever he will do during the production activities, so he will sell these goods into the public, and in this way he can generate their revenues also, and he can borrow funds from the government departments also, governments also. So it is the government is also having some financial responsibility for these state owned enterprises, means these statutory corporation.